Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got a very special video. I was just driving home from work after finishing an 11.5 hour shift and my brother calls me. Now me and my brother are quite close, but we normally chat through WhatsApp, so when he calls me it's normally quite urgent or important. So I answered straight away and he said, "Have you seen your YouTube channel?" And I said, "No, not yet, I'm just on the way home from work." And he said, "You've just hit 1,000 subscribers." So what a great finish to my day at work. Really over the moon. I've got myself a whiskey already. I've only been in the house about 15 minutes and I've already poured myself a whiskey to celebrate. So first of all, I want to say thank you very much to everyone that's subscribed to this channel. Thank you to everyone that's engaged on my videos and liked my videos, shared them and commented. It's such a great community. The precious metal community is like no other community on YouTube. Everyone's all trying to help each other grow. Everyone's full of encouragement and it's such a strong community. If everyone kind of comes together, if everyone's got any problems, everyone helps each other. And I've seen precious metal pages asking about donations and saying they're in hospital and things like that, and people are just so supportive. It's such a strong community. Anyone that's a part of this community will know that it's such a welcoming community as well. If you just start off stacking, and I was only a new stacker a couple of years ago, and before I started making videos on this channel I was reaching out to other channels and commenting on videos, trying to kind of get my head around precious metal investing, and everyone's happy to lend their experience and their thoughts and kind of just help you along the way. So yeah, thanks very much to everyone that's commented on my videos, liked my videos, subscribed. Now, when my brother called me, I got so excited I had to pull over in a lay-by. Now, I was actually on quite a main road, so I had to pull off at the next junction, had to find a lay-by to pull over because I wanted to do the giveaway as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers. So I didn't want it to go to 1,001 subscribers, anything like that. I said I was going to do the giveaway as soon as we hit 1,000. So therefore I pulled over straight away, hung up the phone from my brother. I said, I'm going to do the video right now. So I'm going to put a clip on the screen now of the recording of me doing the giveaway. So I've just pulled over at the side of the road because I've just had a phone call from my brother to say that we've hit 1,000 subscribers. So I wanted to do the giveaway straight away as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers because that's what I said I was going to do. So I've just pulled over now. So I've selected filter duplicate users because I did say that it was going to only be one entry per person. I've also put in there filter comments based on specific text, and I put in 365 because for those of you that watched the video all the way to the end, the giveaway video, I did actually say that only comments with 365 written in them would be entered. So that's what I've done. 8 plus 3. Get YouTube comments. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I've done the wrong thing. There we go. Maths is a bit out today. Okay, so we have 118 unique comments. Like I said, we filtered by duplicate users because it's only one entry per person. We filtered by 365 in the comment as that was the rules for entry. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is Constitutional Stacker. Really chuffed with that actually, because Constitutional Stacker has been a long-term subscriber. He's been a long-term supporter of this channel. And also it's actually quite nice that it's going to another fellow YouTuber because I get to see the bar again. So yeah, really chuffed with that. So yeah, congratulations mate, and I will get that bar out to you as quick as possible. So yeah, as you've just seen from the draw, Constitutional Stacker, this 1 ounce channel bar will be on its way to you very soon. And yeah, I just wanted to say, Constitutional, thanks very much for all the support. Like I said, I'm really glad this bar is going to you because you have been a really big supporter of this channel. I've heard you shout out my channel many times on your videos and on your lives. And you're constantly commenting on my videos and showing support. So if it wasn't for you, this channel wouldn't have grown as quick as it has also. So really glad that you've won this bar. Thanks to everybody that entered the giveaway. I hope to do many more giveaways in the future. I'm not going anywhere. I hope to keep making original fun content. Also, you've got Constitutional Stacker to thank for this bar, because he's got 2 of these bars in his stack. He calls them the twins. And it was after seeing them in his video, I knew I had to go and get myself one. And let me tell you, these aren't cheap bars. They hold a premium, especially because I had to get it from America as well. I had to pay the import taxes and all the rest of it. So you've actually got Constitutional Stacker to thank for showcasing his 2 bars of these for me to have this in my stack and showcase it on this channel also. So yeah, like I said, thanks very much to everyone that entered the giveaway. As always, thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the subscribers. And I hope you all have a nice day.